LSK Suspension partners with West Manufacturing. My name is Rifkin. I'm president of the company. The industries that we serve are sheet metal, tubing, 3D scanning, reverse engineering, and automation. We're able to have a competitive approach toward these projects because we have SigmaNEST and SigmaTUBE, and we're able to approach these projects accurately and effectively to get a good quote to a customer. Before we had SigmaTUBE, we were having to flat pattern tubes. In SolidWorks, we were cutting a strip down the length of the tube, and we were converting it to a sheet metal part. That way, when we're programming it just like a plate, and we would go into the tube laser and we'd be able to program that and cut it there. But now, instead of spending days having to cut these tubes and flat pattern them, now we just program a 3D atmosphere with SigmaTUBE, and it made it a lot easier. It changed our programming from a couple days to we were doing stuff in a couple minutes.
We use SigmaTUBE primarily because of its integration with SolidWorks. We're all SolidWorks users here, so having that built in as a plugin makes it super easy. Some of the products we make in-house are long travel kits for late model trucks, and some of the newer products we're starting to get into are UTV roll cages. One of the features I like is how you have an assembly, you may not know what the wall thicknesses are, what the outside diameter is for, and it calculates that all for you. So even if it's a mix of square and round, it'll tell you your sizes and it'll give you lengths and material, so that way it makes it much easier for us to quote jobs.
Thank you for visiting LSK. We're going to continue working with SigmaNEST and SigmaTUBE products in order to help grow our business. We're going to be implementing robots into our facility to help increase the automation in here. And please visit us on lsksuspension.com or calwestmfg.com. And thank you very much.